You probably bounce between a dozen specialized apps every single day just to get your work done. But what happens if you ditch all of them and use a single AI assistant for one full week? Here are the 3 daily workflows where AI can actually replace your software toolkit. First up, content creation. AI completely eliminates the dreaded blank page. Instead of staring at a blinking cursor, it instantly generates video outlines and scripts. You save hours of early creative friction, leaving you to just polish the final draft. Next, technical problem solving. For coding, the AI acts as an interactive tutor. It actively diagnoses your syntax errors and suggests exact solutions on the fly. But because it hallucinates, you still have to strictly test every single output before trusting it. Finally, personal organization. The AI serves as an executive assistant for chaotic days. Just dump a messy list of raw tasks into the prompt, and it automatically transforms them into a clean, prioritized schedule so you know what's important. So AI won't completely delete every specialized app from your phone. Instead, it acts as a universal first draft generator, elevating your role from a mundane task doer to the final decision maker.